living standards. Nevertheless, social disparities and class divisions continue to persist. Today, Japan remains a highly developed industrialized nation with a complex social structure. While the country has achieved remarkable economic success, social issues such as income inequality, precarious employment, and demographic challenges remain prevalent. Efforts to address these issues and foster social inclusivity are ongoing. The social stratification and class struggle within the Japanese Empire were influenced by various factors, including economic changes, political ideologies, and social norms. These dynamics shaped the socioeconomic landscape and had a profound impact on different segments of society. The transformation of the Japanese economy from a feudal agrarian society to an industrial powerhouse brought about significant changes in social classes. The rise of industrial capitalism created a wealthy elite class of industrialists, financiers, and business owners who accumulated vast fortunes. These individuals, known as Zaibatsu, wielded immense economic and political influence, further exacerbating social disparities. On the other hand, the working class faced challenging conditions and limited opportunities for social mobility. Factory workers, miners, and laborers endured long working hours, low wages, and often hazardous environments. Their struggles for better rights and improved living conditions fueled the growth of labor unions and socialist movements. The class struggle in the Japanese Empire was also shaped by political ideologies. Socialist and communist ideas gained traction among the working class, advocating for collective ownership of means of production, wealth redistribution, and social equality. These movements challenged the existing power structure and called for reforms to address socioeconomic disparities. However, the government responded to the class struggle and socialist movements with repression. The authorities viewed these movements as threats to social order and national stability. Surveillance, arrests, and suppression of leftist organizations became common, limiting the influence and impact of these movements. Social divisions in the Japanese Empire were not solely based on class but also encompassed other factors such as gender, ethnicity, and occupation. Women faced significant gender inequalities and limited access to education, employment, and political participation. The prevailing patriarchal norms and cultural expectations placed women in subordinate roles within society. Ethnic minority groups, such as the Ainu and the Barakuman, experienced social discrimination and marginalization. They were often subjected to prejudice and faced barriers to social advancement. Efforts to address these social divisions and promote inclusivity have been ongoing in contemporary Japan. The resolution of social stratification and class struggle in the Japanese Empire has been complex and multifaceted. Following World War II, Japan embarked on a path of reconstruction and economic growth, known as the Japanese economic miracle. The government implemented various social welfare policies and labor reforms to improve working conditions and promote social equality. Today, Japan is a highly developed and technologically advanced nation. It continues to grapple with social challenges, including income inequality, an aging population, and the changing nature of work. Efforts to promote social cohesion, ensure equal opportunities, and address socioeconomic disparities remain crucial priorities.